Question 25. It says ABC is a right angled triangle. Now it says the size of angle A to the size of angle B is 3 to 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little sketch here to start. Now this is angle B, that's angle A. Now B to A is 3 to 2. So if we called that one 3x, that one would be 2x because the ratio is 3 to 2. Now the angles in a triangle add up to 180, so it means that 3x plus 2x must add up to be 90. So 3x plus 2x equals 90. 5x equals 90. So x must equal 90 divided by 5, which is 18 degrees. So what it means here is that this angle is 2 times 18, so it's going to be 36 degrees, that one there. So I'm going to put that on this original diagram up here, 36 degrees. Now we need to work out the length of AB. So this is the one we want to find, so I'm going to call this one x. Now we're going to use SOHCAHTOA. So if I write up here SOHCAHTOA, because it's a right angle triangle and it's not Pythagoras, this question. So first of all, we're going to put H for hypotenuse. There's our angle that we've got, 36, so this is going to be the opposite. So this other one over here is the adjacent. So what have we got then? The hypotenuse, yeah, we need to find that, so I'll underline the hypotenuse. We have got the length of the adjacent, so I'll underline the adjacent. Which of the relationships have we got 2 underlined? It's going to be the CAH, so we're going to be using cos. One other way of finding it I use is, can you see here there's 2 variables, there's a H and an X, so I've got 2 here, I've got A and I've got 14 here, there's 2 there, there's only 1 over there. So either way we're going to be using the cosine. So let's think what we're going to use for the cosine. With a formula triangle, I can use C, A and H. Now what am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the H on the diagram, so I want H. So the H is going to be the adjacent divided by the cosine. So X is what I'm trying to find, the length. The adjacent is 14 divided by C is for cos, for cosine, and the angle that we're using is 36 degrees. So I'll put cos 36 there. Then we go to our calculator. So we're going to have, turn it on there, fraction 14 over cos 36, close bracket, equals, and it comes to 17.304. So that comes to 17.3049. Now we're told to give our answer correct to 3 significant figures. First figure, second figure, third figure. That's where I'm going to do my rounding. I'll look at the 0. That 0 tells me the answer is just going to be 17.3 to 3 significant figures. And the last question on this paper, there are first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Write down an expression in terms of n for the nth term. Well, what are we adding on each time? 5 to 11, we're adding 6. 11 to 17, we're adding 6. 17 to 23, we're adding 6. So we start off with 6n. Whatever this number is, we put it in front of n. Now, we can find the other term by saying, what happens if I go backwards in the sequence? So I'm taking away 6 each time. 11 take away 6 gives 5. 5 take away 6 gives -1. Whatever this number is here, that would come as the start of the sequence here, we put there. So our nth term is 6n minus 1.